Hi everyone, welcome back to another TechCore Duo video. And for today, I've got a quick tutorial on how to record uh, your iPhone screen. So, in other words, not a screenshot, but a full video of something that you're doing. For instance, navigating through screens, and even something like recording a Netflix episode of your favorite show, or even letting a movie record. So let's get right to it. The first thing you're going to need is, of course, your iPhone. One of the things that I did is I went into settings and then into display and brightness and just turned the auto lock to never so that the screen always stays on and doesn't go to sleep while you're doing the recording. The second thing you'll need is of course, your iPhone charger cable, Lightning to USB. And for this version, you'll need a Mac that has a QuickTime player on it, which is practically every Mac because it comes installed by default. And from there, what we'll do is launch QuickTime player. You can just type it in. Okay, and then when QuickTime Player launches, it doesn't give you like a window or anything, but you'll know it's running because in the top left corner it'll say QuickTime Player. Okay, and from there we'll go to File, New Movie Recording. Okay, and then you'll get like this huge window because it usually defaults to your FaceTime camera. So that's okay, you don't have to worry about it. And from here we'll take our iPhone, all right, plug it in, just like that. Okay, and then from this little drop down here, go ahead and click this little triangle, and then we're going to choose your iPhone. Okay, that's for the microphone section, and then we'll also choose for the camera section your iPhone. M's iPhone is just like a short name for my iPhone. So what's going to happen now is you're going to get your screen here, and then as you move or swipe left and right on the screen, anything that you're doing there will automatically translate to your recording there. So just for demo purposes, we'll go ahead and click record. I'm going to bump up the volume a little bit, and any audio that comes from the iPhone's operating system won't get recorded here. So just for instance, let's do something like Netflix. Oops, there we go. Let's let that load. And sometimes it can get a little kind of like jittery or jumpy, and there's no kind of rhyme or reason to why it happens, but it only really happens if you're recording something like Netflix or like a movie. Technically, obviously Netflix doesn't want you recording this kind of stuff or recording, movies in this way. So it's just something to be aware of that, that the recording feature in QuickTime and the iPhone wasn't designed for this. And this will most likely get patched up. I foresee in the near future because there's no way that, Netflix is going to want people recording movies onto their, devices. But in the meantime, it's a kind of like a, a nice little quirk or a nice little bug that we get to enjoy if you have a Mac and an iOS device. This also works with the iPad. So pretty cool feature. I don't really use it for this. I use it more for just kind of doing tutorials and that kind of thing on my iPhone. But nonetheless, it's free. You don't have to download any other kind of special applications or anything. Uh, as long as you have an iPhone and it can launch QuickTime Player. You can record your iPhone screen. You can even record, let's say, like a FaceTime conversation if you wanted to have it. Just for memory's sake, maybe it's like with a friend that's overseas or something. There are a lot of possibilities with that and different kinds of things that you can kind of play around with and do. But in any case, that's it. Hope you guys found that useful. Thanks for watching.